Here is how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on your Android device. So first, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Also ensure that you have an internet connection which is stable and strong. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and then select Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Chats, which is between List and Broadcast. From Chats, you need to scroll down and select Chat Backup. Tap on the Google account option and then select one of the Google account where you want to back up your messages. Also choose whether to include your videos or not, whether to include videos or backup using the cellular data, and you'll be done. Tap on backup and your WhatsApp backup will now be created. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.